This is the garlic I picked up in Fort Mac. So you're supposed to wait till your first frost. I'm only just getting home. No decision on no decision on the time. I just got to plant now that I'm home. So this is hardneck garlic, and because I get a full winter, I should put them at least 3 inches deep. And you point that little pointy part up, folks. I'm going to set them 6 inches apart, and 6 inches apart, so I got room to grow, and stick the little pointy part up. We get a good cold winter, so it says at least 3 inches. I've never grew garlic before. It says 3 inches, so I'm going to put them there. I don't know if I'm too late, but I know that I planted soft neck garlic several years ago, not knowing first when I start gardening that soft neck variety don't do good here unless it's in a greenhouse or whatever, but the long hard neck variety does really well here. So I'm going to try garlic for the first time, and the first time for everything. So I'm going to bury these little garlic up. I'm going to give them a little kiss of bone meal, and a little bit of blood meal, something to give them that little start down in the soil. And we're going to see how these fellows do. So next year, guaranteed, if these fellows grows, I'll have a video. So if you already got your garlic, you can give me some advice down below in the comments. When did you plant it? I'm zone 5, and I've watched many videos trying to learn about garlic, and I was also told that wait until your first frost. So our first frost down in the valley was actually 2 days ago. So this is just after the first frost. So I'll see how it goes. Anyway, I'll certainly keep you posted, and we'll see how they do. Lots of organic matter in this soil, so well, that is it, folks. A little bit of new peat. I'm going to give them a good squish, a nice compacting down. I think that, so just them few little bulbs of garlic in the soil. We definitely see how they do. I think because up against the concrete there, and just inside the concrete is the wood stove, so snow never grows there. So they should have a really good little somewhat mild winter there. I'll do some leaf raking, put a couple inches of leaves on them, and we'll certainly see how they do.